The brave little turtle. In a quiet, peaceful pond surrounded by tall green trees, there lived a small turtle named Toby. He was the youngest and smallest of all the turtles in the pond. While his friends could swim fast, dive deep, and climb over rocks easily, Toby struggled. He often felt left behind, but he had a big dream. He wanted to reach the top of the great hill, the tallest place in the forest, where the sun shined the brightest. One day, Toby told his friends about his dream. They laughed. "The great hill is too far and too steep," said Timmy, the fastest turtle. "You are too slow," added Tina. "You will never make it," said Tommy. Toby felt discouraged, but deep inside, he knew he had to try. So, early the next morning, before anyone else was awake, Toby took a deep breath and started his journey. The journey begins. The path was rough, and the hill was far away. At first, Toby moved slowly but steadily, his tiny legs carrying him forward. He passed by the river where the fish swam happily. "Where are you going, Toby?" asked a friendly fish. "I am going to climb the great hill," said Toby proudly. The fish laughed. "A small turtle like you. It's impossible. Turn back while you still can." But Toby just smiled and kept moving forward. Hours passed, and Toby reached the base of the hill. It was much taller than he had imagined. The ground was rocky, and the path was steep. But Toby didn't stop. He climbed over small stones, crawled through bushes, and slowly made his way up. Suddenly, a strong wind blew, pushing Toby backward. He lost his grip and tumbled down a few feet. His shell hit the ground with a thud. He felt tired and a little scared. "Maybe my friends were right," he thought. "Maybe I am too small and too slow." But then, he remembered why he started. He had come so far. He couldn't give up now. So, he stood up, took a deep breath, and started climbing again. Facing obstacles. As Toby climbed higher, he faced many challenges. The sun was hot, and his legs were sore. A family of rabbits hopped past him. "Why are you climbing this hill?" asked one rabbit. "I want to see the top," said Toby. The rabbits giggled. "You are too slow. We could hop up there in no time." But Toby didn't listen. He kept climbing. A little further up, he met a wise old owl sitting on a tree branch. The owl watched Toby struggle and asked, "Why do you keep going when others say you can't?" Toby thought for a moment and then said, "Because I believe I can." The owl nodded. "Then you will." With those words, Toby felt stronger. He climbed higher and higher, even when his legs ached. He rested when he needed to but never gave up. Reaching the top. After what felt like forever, Toby took one last step and finally reached the top of the great hill. He looked around and gasped. The view was breathtaking. The whole forest stretched out before him, glowing under the golden sun. The wind felt soft and cool. Birds flew past him, and the river shimmered in the distance. Toby had done it. He had reached the top, even when no one believed he could. As he sat there, feeling proud, he realized something important: being small and slow didn't matter. What mattered was never giving up. When he returned to the pond, his friends were amazed. "You really did it?" Timmy asked in disbelief. "Yes," Toby smiled. "And if I can do it, so can you." From that day on, Toby became known as the bravest turtle in the pond. His story inspired many others to chase their dreams, no matter how impossible they seemed. Moral of the story: no matter how small, slow, or weak you may feel, if you believe in yourself and never give up, you can achieve anything. Search. Reason.